How to get a millionaire mind. You may often find yourself wondering why some individuals struggle to exist while others have an abundance of wealth. The key to all this is the mindset of the individuals. Those who are wealthy have what many refer to as a millionaire mind. This millionaire mind is a different way of thinking that separates those who are successful from everyone else. When it comes to the millionaire mind, the subconscious is the most powerful. It often takes over for the conscious mind. Consider subscribing for online business and work from home opportunities. Check out the link in description to discover more about home business. This allows individuals to achieve success rather than pushing the subconscious mind out of the way and listening to their conscious mind and never achieving success. The key to learning to listen to your subconscious mind is to have a positive view of money and wealth rather than a negative view. However, changing your thinking isn't the only way to gain a millionaire mind. There are other things you can do. Consider a few of them listed below. Assume responsibility. No matter what happens in your life, you should make sure you take responsibility for it. Don't place the blame for your problems on others. There is more benefit to doing this than you may think. It allows individuals to realize what they can and cannot do, which allows them to set realistic goals for what they want to achieve out of life. This can be very beneficial to gaining a millionaire mind. Consider subscribing for online business and work from home opportunities. Check out the link in description to discover more about home business. Next, always make sure your mind focuses on the positive. Positive thinking. You are likely to give more attention to whatever you focus your attention on. Therefore, you should focus on what you want and you will soon achieve it. Those with a millionaire mind know to focus on financial freedom. As a result, they are often drawn to events and individuals that can benefit them and help them achieve their goals. So make sure you have a positive view of wealth and money so that you can achieve better results. Next, consider what you do for work. Work. You can expect to gain wealth if you are spending the majority of your time doing a job you don't like. Consider subscribing for online business and work from home opportunities. Check out the link in description to discover more about home business. Doing what you enjoy for work is the only true way that you can become successful. Therefore, those with a millionaire mind attempt to focus on producing quality work rather than focusing only on gaining individual wealth. If money is your only motivating factor, not only will you never achieve it, but you will also miss out on the other benefits life has to offer at the same time. By applying these tips, you will be able to achieve a millionaire mind. Once you have a millionaire mindset, you will be more likely to achieve good results. These good results will not only help to give you financial freedom, but in the long run will allow you to enjoy life. So develop your millionaire mindset today and see how your life can benefit. Consider subscribing for online business and work from home opportunities. Check out the link in description to discover more about home business, and I'll see you in the next video. Good luck.